The abuse of office case against former Treasury PS Wilfred Koinange, former CBK Deputy Governor Eliphaz Riungu and Elijah Arap Bii began today when the state decided to prefer fresh charges against them. This follows a successful application by former CBK Governor Eric Kotut to have his name expunged from the proceedings. A High Court ruling in November 2008 absolved Kotut of any wrongdoing as alleged in the Goldenberg report. The state intends to call 30 witnesses in the new case. Elsewhere, Nairobi businesswoman Joyce Akinyi wants a deportation case against her estranged husband Anthony Chinedu revived. Akinyi says the case file had mysteriously disappeared from the registry, thereby rendering her efforts to clear her name in the case futile. She alleges her estranged husband had adversely mentioned her in the suit, and since the court had stopped his deportation, the case has never taken off. She alleges that Chinedu's continued presence in the country poses a security threat to her. Elsewhere, a controversial member of Finger of God Church, Quincy Timberlake, has denied charges of being in possession of a forged South African passport. Timberlake is also accused of obtaining another passport at the Kisumu Immigration Office without surrendering a previous one, which had been issued in 2006. In a separate development, former Kabete MP Paul Mwite's wife has instituted private criminal proceedings against a lawyer, an AP inspector and an auctioneer for the raid carried out in her home last year. Dr. Edith Ndeto Mwite has accused the three of leading a gang of over 200 men in raiding her current home. However, the auctioneer has raised an objection, arguing that the facts presented in Dr. Mwite's application is a matter of evidence. And finally, the court will in June make a ruling on whether Narok businessman Munir Ismail, who has been charged with being in possession of an assortment of military weaponry, will be released on bail. The state has rejected Munir's bail application on grounds that he might abscond.